Do you collect patient information online? If you're a healthcare professional or building forms for one, this guide is for you. In this video, we'll walk through how to make your online forms HIPAA compliant without rebuilding everything from scratch. Step 1 is knowing which forms actually require HIPAA compliance. Any form that collects protected health information, PHI, must be HIPAA compliant. PHI includes things like a name plus a diagnosis, an email plus appointment details, or a phone number with treatment notes. This usually includes intake forms, mental health screenings, consent forms, telehealth requests, even contact us forms in some cases. Next, take a look at what you're using today. Most practices fall into one of 4 categories. PDF or Word forms are easy to create, but they're not always secure, not mobile-friendly, and hard to manage. Free online form builders are fast and user-friendly, but most aren't built for HIPAA compliance and don't offer a BAA. Custom HTML forms look great, but unless your hosting is HIPAA compliant and under a BAA, they're not compliant either. And built-in forms from platforms like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, or Shopify usually require third-party solutions to be HIPAA compliant. So how do you fix this? Step 3 is choosing a HIPAA compliant form builder. Look for a platform that signs a BAA, encrypts PHI, provides secure hosting, access controls, and lets you convert, customize, or import your existing forms. You don't need to start over. Most HIPAA-compliant form builders let you recreate or convert what you already have. You can copy fields, rebuild logic, embed forms on your website, or upload a Word or PDF and convert it into a secure online form. Some platforms, like HIPAA-Atizer, even offer AI and manual freeform conversion. It will save some time. Before launching, always test your form. Check it on desktop and mobile, test submission flows, and review printable formats. Doctors still love paper-style submissions. Then share the form securely on your website by link, SMS, email, or QR code. If your forms already exist, you're halfway there. The key is moving them into a HIPAA-compliant platform without spending too much time or breaking your budget. Learn more in our guide to HIPAA-compliant online forms.